And what are some of the key deliverables that a client would receive out of this engagement?
Yeah, so we have a written deliverable which covers our project scope and approach, organizational profile. It contains all the information that we gather during discovery, which is going to be a narrative of how the Lawson application is used, how well it's meeting needs, and any noticeable gaps that need to be closed as part of CloudSuite. And that's backed up with a little bit of data analysis that we do. Take a look at the transactions and configuration in the system. That includes our business process review, sort of a recommended approach for going to CloudSuite. Right, so that's our main written deliverable. Alongside that, we deliver a WISE inventory, which is spreadsheet based or potentially in Smartsheet or another online list, and that's essentially a listing of development work that needs to be done as part of the CloudSuite project. We have a reporting and analytics assessment, which is primarily workshop driven. We've got CloudSuite implementation budgetary estimates. So that's an Excel package that we put together, and we'll talk a bit more about that in a bit. And then we conclude with an executive summary, which is PowerPoint driven.